How do you guys? Welcome to Elite Competitions. Alex here, and I'm here to show you our next big competition, and probably, or most definitely, my favourite. The 4.25 stage Litchfield tuned Nissan GTR. Repainted in this unbelievable house of colour deep bronze, which is stunning, and it's got carbon features all round with the low lip spoiler, solid carbon. You've got the carbon side skirts and the carbon front splitter as well. So let's get to it, guys. Let's have a little listen to the car. And then now you've had a listen to it from the outside, let's see it go past as well. Anyway, guys, so make sure you head over to the websites elitecompetitions.co.uk. Of the iOS store or the Android store. Make sure you get involved, because one of you will be winning this stunning Nissan GTR. Cheers, and we'll see you soon.